Pete's Cookhouse, Mission Top Dog. This week's, we're taking out the big guns. Pulled pork hot dog with coleslaw. Don't go away. Welcome back. So this week we are going to be making the pulled pork hot dog, and I'm guessing it's going to be one of the hottest selling items at the hot dog cart. Why? Because everybody likes pulled pork, as far as I know. You like pulled pork?
Not really.
She had to be different. Anyways, so we are going to prepare our pulled pork. Now we're going to do it in the Instapot. It's going to take about 40 minutes to cook. And after that, once it's cooked, we're going to shred it. We're going to get it all ready. That's going to be the most intense labor or labor intense part of building this. Now, after that, we're just going to like dirty dog our hot dog and build it, and that's it. So in order to make your pulled pork, you have a rump roast or shoulder. I got a shoulder blade here. So we're going to open this up. We're going to cut it up into cubes, and we're going to season it. So, take this off. So now we're going to trim some of the fat, but not all of it, because it's always good to have some fat in a pulled pork. But this slab here, we're going to get rid of. Now we could save this and do something else with it, but that's for another show.
That's big.
Huh? So we're going to cut this into manageable cubes. And trim some of the fat off. Put this in here. All right, guys. So the Instapot, we have it on saute. We're going to add some oil to it, get this hot, and then we are going to saute our pork. And as that will be doing its thing, we're going to be doing our barbecue sauce also. Our liquid that's going to be going into the Instapot. So I will be needing this. Okay. So let's start by putting our pieces in here. You're going to want to saute them for about 5 minutes. So the sauce that we're going to be doing is the 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, which we put in the bowl. We're going to be using 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Any barbecue sauce that you prefer. Right now I'm using a brand. I didn't make my own, but I will, for the hot dog stand, I'll be making my bourbon barbecue sauce for this. We're going to be adding also 1 1/4 cup of beef broth. That's 1 cup, and I will add a 1/4 cup. That. Now, the barbecue sauce, you need 2 cups of barbecue sauce, separated. So, the reason it's separated is that you put the 1 cup in the sauce, and afterwards, once the all right, so the pork is seared. We're going to be deglazing the bottom of this. So we're going to be using our sauce that we just made. We're going to add about a cup right now. You don't need to add all of it. We just need to scrape the bottom and scrape the churning that happened while we were searing this, because the churning is actually flavored. So scrape it all off, scrape it off the bottom. And we do have a live studio audience today. Say hi, live studio audience.
Hi.
Studio audience of 2 and 2 cats.
You want to stay?
Okay, so you want to, like I said, you want to get all the churning off. So just grab a wooden spoon or a plastic spatula or something that you have. Don't use something metal, then you have to just scratch it. Take all of it off. And now we are going to put all of our pieces back in. And we are going to pressure cook it for 40 minutes. After the 40 minutes is done, we are going to let it naturally release for 10. And, okay, so all the pieces are in there. We're going to add the rest of our sauce. Put that in there. Alrighty. Now make sure all the pieces are covered. Make sure that they're all in there so that you get all of this goodness. Alright. So we put the lid back on and we put it on pressure cook for 40 minutes. And we don't need to keep it warm. We start it and we let it do its thing. If you have a modern Instapot, the valve is automatically closed, so you don't have to worry about it. If you don't, then you have to make sure your valve is closed so that the pressure can build up. So 40 minutes, then we do the pulled pork when it comes out, and we build the hot dog. I'll see you in 40 minutes. All right, so our pork is done. We are going to shred it. We're going to add the barbecue. I have the hot dogs boiling in the back. And once that's done, we're going to build and we're going to taste test. So, as per usual for the pulled pork, we're going to, it's falling apart. So we're going to put this in here and we're going to shred it. And that's what you want. You want this thing to basically fall apart. We have all our pieces out. And we get our shredding machine out and we start shredding. It'd probably be better to do this if we had it on a flat surface, which is what I'm going to do. Flat surface. We're going to dump this on here. But Pete, that's a lot of pulled pork for one hot dog. Because I'm going to have it all week too. Don't laugh, it's funny. Okay?
I just try not to laugh.
Yeah. You can laugh. It's a live audience.
Me, I'm the live audience.
What?
I'm the live audience.
Yeah. So our hot dogs are done. We are going to build our pulled pork coleslaw hot dog. The main event for Pete's Cookhouse hot dog curry.
The what?
The main event.
The main event.
Yeah. The main dog, the top dog. So, right.
We're cheering you on.
Yes, our live audience is cheering us.
Woo!
All right. All right. So,
Good.
Mhm.
Oh, sorry.
well, there's some people beat me to it. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Would you buy it again?
Mm-hmm. I didn't buy this one, but I'll buy the next one.
Okay. So, taste test. We are going to. Well, I'm going to try it. She already has. But pulled pork hot dog with coleslaw, creamy coleslaw. Here we go. Mm-hmm.
Good.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
It deserves a happy dance.
Oh no, please no. Please no. Are you gonna do it? He's gonna do it.
I haven't seen it. Let me see.
Yeah, just for you.
Mm.
Happy dance because this is so good.
You asked for that.
I know.
All right, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification button and the like button. And I will see you next week on another episode.